Welcome to Tabata. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
This hit that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold.
Round one.
This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpiece. Stylin', wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, so pretty. I'm too hot, I'm too hot.
3, 2, 1, stop!
Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Saturday night till we in the spot.
3, 2, 1, go! Round 2.
Don't believe it, just watch. Don't believe it, just watch. Don't believe it, just watch.
3, 2, 1.
Stop. Wait a minute. Stop. Wait a minute.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Stop. Wait a minute. Fill my cup, put some liquor in it.
Round 3.
Take a sip, sign a check. Pull it out, get the stretch. Right from Harlem, Hollywood, Jackson, Mississippi. If we show up, we gon' show out. Smoother than a fresh drop skippy. I'm too hot, I'm too hot.
3, 2, 1, stop!
Too hot, hot damn. Too hot, hot damn.
5, 4,
Don't
3,
believe me,
2,
just
1,
watch.
go! Round 4.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
3, 2, 1, stop! Halfway. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Too hot, hot day. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot, hot day.
Round 5.
Dragon wanna retire, man. I'm too hot, hot day. Say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot, hot day. I'ma pay about that money.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop!
Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Cause Saturday night till we in the spot. Cause don't
3,
believe me,
2,
just watch.
1, go! Round 6.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't
5,
believe me, just
4,
watch.
3, 2, 1, stop! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Jump on me if you sexy and flown.
Round 7.
Get it on you. Don't brag about it, come show me. Come on, dance. Jump on me if you sexy and flown. If you freak, get it on you. Don't brag about it, come show me. Cause it's Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe
3,
it,
2,
just watch.
1,
Come on.
stop!
Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up.
Final round.
Uptown funk you up.
5,
Don't believe me, just don't believe me, just
3, 2, 1, go!
Uptown funk you up. Come on. Uptown funk you up. Say what? Uptown funk you up. Don't believe me, just watch.
Round 8.
Uptown funk you up. Come on. Uptown funk you up. Uptown funk you up. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just
4,
watch.
3, 2, 1, stop!
Say what?
Welcome to Tabata. Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Round 1. Three, two, one, stop! 3, 2, 1, go!
Congrats on getting through this workout, guys. I know it was a tough one, all right? 10 minutes, that's all you need to get a nice little sweat going, especially if you're short on time. There's literally no excuse. We had no equipment, all right? We didn't need anything extra. All we needed was a mat and some space to move. 10 minutes is all you need. Comment down below. I wanna know, what was the hardest move for you today? Was it the push-ups? Was it the squats? What was it? What was it about this workout that made it challenging for you? Maybe it was the whole thing. Let me know in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button as well before you leave. Make sure you share with somebody who could use a workout like this. Make sure that you guys continue to crush it, continue to kill it, and most importantly, continue to be yourself, because that's the only way that we succeed, all right? It's Coach Pat here. Y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all in the next workout, all right? Yeah.